Hi, I'm Jean. Welcome back to the English Experience. Today we're going to talk about household chores. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, why don't you go ahead and do that right now? Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you won't miss any new uploads. And we're going to talk about household chores, cleaning house. Let's go. First of all, what are chores? Let's look at the definition of that word. Chores are household tasks, things that you do as a routine. You do them daily inside of your house. So we'll talk about some common household chores and how we can describe them in English. First chore, wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. And if you want to use a collocation, for example, make or do, these are tricky. But if we're talking about the dishes, you do the dishes. Do the dishes. Wash the dishes. This kitchen is filthy. You need to do the dishes. You need to wash the dishes. That's one household task. How about laundry? Laundry, yes. Washing clothes. Washing clothes, and similar collocation, you do the laundry. What are you doing today? "Ah, I'm so busy. I have to do the laundry. I have a ton of laundry to do." So if we're talking about dishes, laundry, the collocation is do. And or you could just use the verb and you could say wash my clothes, wash the dishes. How about the floor? How do we take care of the floors in our house? Well, there are two very common things that we do. First of all, we sweep. Do you know this word? Do you know what it means to sweep, this verb? So the tool that we use, that is called a broom. So you take the broom and you sweep. That's that action of getting the dust and getting all the debris or the trash off the floor. You sweep. And the broom's best friend, his companion, is this guy, the dustpan. So you sweep the dirt into the dustpan and then you put it in the trash. Sweeping is one part of it, and the other is to mop. This one is easy because the name of the tool, it's called a mop, and the action, the verb, is also mop. I need to sweep and mop the floors. You need to sweep the floors and mop. I hate mopping. It takes so long to mop the house. But what if your floors aren't hard? What if you don't have hard floors? What if you have carpeted floors? Well, you can't sweep and mop the carpeted floors. No, you have to do something else. And this is another one where the name for the noun, the name for the actual object is the same as the action. That guy is the vacuum. So you have to vacuum your floors. This floor needs to be vacuumed. There's paper, there's lint, there's dust. We need to vacuum the floors. How about in the kitchen? After you've washed the dishes, well, you have lots of surfaces. Lots of surfaces in the kitchen. For example, the countertops. Maybe you cook or you cut vegetables or you cut meat on the countertop. So you have to clean those surfaces, yeah? Usually you will take maybe a cloth or a sponge and wipe off, phrasal verb, wipe off the counters, wipe off the refrigerator, wipe off the stove. So that action, when you're cleaning those surfaces in your house or in the kitchen, in the dining room, if it's a dining room table, you're going to use that phrasal verb, wipe off. Wipe off the counters, wipe off the table, wipe everything off after you clean the kitchen. How about the garbage? After you've cooked and cleaned your house, you probably have a lot of garbage, a lot of trash. So we have another phrasal verb, and that is to take out. So you get the garbage bag, you tie up the bag, and then you take it out. You take out the garbage, you take out the trash. Usually people put it outside into like a larger trash bin so that when the trash collector comes, they'll pick it up. So yes, that action is taking out the garbage or taking out the trash. What about outside? Outside. If you live in an apartment, you probably don't have to worry about this. But if you live in a house, you definitely have to worry about this because many houses in front, they have grass. They have a lawn in front, and maybe they have a lawn in back. They have grass in front and grass in back. And that grass grows. It grows very quickly. So how can we describe this action of taking care of that problem, cleaning up that grass? The phrase that we can use to describe that action is cut. We can say, cut the grass. I have to cut the grass every week. The grass grows so quickly, I have to cut it every week. Another common phrase that you can use is mow the lawn. You need to mow the lawn. The grass is getting high. You need to mow the lawn. And the device that we use to mow the lawn, this one is so easy. We just call it a lawn mower. Easy peasy. You need a lawn mower to mow the lawn, to cut the grass. If the house is a little bit messy, we have to clean it. We gotta do the dishes, we gotta do the laundry, we gotta sweep the floors, mop the floors, wipe off the countertops, wash the windows, cut the grass, mow the lawn. So many things to do as a part of our chores, as a part of our daily routine activities inside the house. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Of course, please leave me a comment, hit that like button, and definitely subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you'll catch all the new uploads. I enjoyed our time together, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.